Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm teaching my sister how to draw a cute mouse. So let's get started. So first we're gonna start with the little spike here, like we always do in the cat and the bunny. Now we're gonna draw a curved line just like we did for the bunny, but instead of long ears, draw big round ears like that. Now we're gonna do the other side. Add a round ears. Now we're gonna do some detail inside the ears. Just a curve, another one, and do the same thing in the next ear. Now we're gonna draw the head. So just draw a circle, just like that. Now, yeah. Now we're gonna draw the nose, so just draw a big, round, just a circle for the nose. Now you can put a little shine for the nose. Now we're gonna add the snout. We'll just come along, just like that. Now we're gonna draw the mouth. So just smile and add two, just like that. But wait, don't leave the cheeks. We're gonna do some little cheek crumbles, or I don't know how you call it, but that's gonna represent that the mouse is eating something. So here you're just gonna draw munch. Okay, now we're gonna draw the eyes. So draw, yeah, that's good actually. Like that, and draw another one. Like that. Now, just draw a crescent-like shape in both of the eyes. Now just add one circle and add another one. Add a smaller circle, another one inside here. Now we're gonna color it in. It's pretty cute. I'm gonna color the first eye in. Now we'll do the second eye. Yeah, you did a girl mouse. Okay, now inside the crescent-like shape, we're gonna add two rhombuses, just like that. Maybe add little stripes here, and then add some eyebrows, like that. Maybe you can draw 3 little dots on the edges and draw little whiskers. Now, let's get back to the ears. Draw just little simple lines in the ears. Now we're going to draw the body. Wait, I had a little detail there first. Now we're going to draw the body. But first, we're going to start with the hands. Add one hand like that. Another hand just like that. I'm going to add paws. And the body. Now inside the hands of the mouse, we're going to draw one big triangle on the right side and then a smaller one on the left side. So just draw 3D like shape and draw the circles inside of the mouse. The cheese. And as you know, as the mouse is eating, you probably think like, yeah, the mouse is eating the cheese. Yeah, he is. So now we'll do the tummy. Just add little cloudy like bumps for the tummy. Let's get on to the tail. Not the tail, the legs. Just draw one teddy bear like foot. Another one like that. We're going to draw the same paws as we did for the hands. And our little lines here. Now we're going to draw the tail. So just draw one long swivel. And just follow that swivel from the other side. And there you have it. A mouse. I think that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, subscribe and leave a like down below, and see you next time. Bye.